Hello, thanks for tuning back into my channel. This is All Things Edo, and in today's video I'm doing a little bit of something different. I live in Nashville, Tennessee. I've been living here for over 16 years, and this is one of my favorite places to go to for home decor, for inspiration. It features items that are from Southeast Asia, and this is different than going to a Marshall's, a TJ Maxx, other home decor stores. This is unique stuff. It's kind of some items are sketchy, some items are not, my taste, but I just wanted to show you what you can find if you ever visit the city. A really cool place to go to for home decor, for furniture. So I hope you enjoy this format of a video. I'm trying other things to spice up the channel and show different content. And if you have any comments or questions, just leave them down below. And if you like videos like this, subscribe for more. And if you want to see other places in Nashville, let me know, and I'll try to make other videos. Enjoy! I'm here at my favorite store. I actually came to look for some planters for my plants. I'm going to be doing some planting today. And I just thought about coming to this place. It's called Southeastern Salvage. There's some cute planters already. Let's see. They have stuff outside and inside. I'll show you. It is quite impressive. They bring a lot of stuff here from Indonesia, I believe, and Bali, and those places. And it's all at really great prices. I guess these are like little stools. These are cute. So this huge, it's like an umbrella stand. It's $39. Kind of cute. Those are cute too. These are very nice little like side tables. A few planters and big planters. Really cool stuff over there. I'm not sure I like the colors though. These are nice. These are little chimeneas, like outdoor fireplaces. And let's see the price. They're only what, $79. That's a pretty good deal. So this is the inside of the store. It's a warehouse, and you have this grocery cart that's like ginormous. You can barely fit in the aisles. And the first aisles are artwork that's not really my taste. This is what I meant, where you have just kind of like eclectic stuff. Some of it is amazing and cool, and then some of it is like, what were they thinking? So some of it is, yeah, like I said, not really to my taste, but I guess there's stuff for everyone. And I will highlight the stuff that really jumps out at me. Did I tell you guys that this store is huge and they have a lot of stuff for outdoors? They have lots of seat cushions, and in this you will see tons of aisles full of cool stuff for the outdoor space and also interior. I love baskets. The prices are also really great. I don't know how they can do these prices, but I've been to TJ Maxx and Home Goods, and these prices are unbeatable. And they also have a lot of uniquely sourced items. A lot of this stuff is from like India, Indonesia, Bali, and stuff you can't find anywhere else. So if you're looking to give your home a different kind of look, a little bit more bohemian look, I think this would be a great store to check out. These baskets really drew my eye right away. Look at the color, they were so cute, and the shape. The only thing I wasn't really crazy about were the handles. And then these boxes above those little baskets, these are like wood carved boxes. You could use it for storage. The price was a little bit pricey, but my eyes were just drawn to how unique they were. I think they look great. And this whole section had tons of lanterns. Again, I could just see those on my deck or on the porch. These are cool tagines. They are used to cook. They're Moroccan, I believe. And this chest is like a leather chest. My eyes just went to it. But again, like, it was really pricey for my budget, but it was unique, and my eyes were just drawn to it for some reason. These are so cool. They used, I believe, the front of trucks to make these sort of like bars with wooden tops. Again, this thing just caught my eye. It's a beautiful wall hanging for like 14 bucks. These are pillow covers, cool tiled numbers, and dollar soaps from like Bali. Those are hammocks from like Mexico. Oh, I'm a sucker for wicker furniture. This is where I want to be. I don't know if any of you are all into just like wooden handmade objects. Just loving it right now. Just love all this stuff. This store also has really cool furniture and stuff for remodeling a kitchen, a bathroom. There are all kinds of vanities with like cool rustic feels, all like solid wood. And I have never seen these kind of things at like Home Depot or Lowe's. I love these cool colorful sinks, like pedestal sinks. And these are acacia wood for countertops. They're beautiful. You could just rub some like teak oil on them and it just would make it, you know, a nice brown colored top for a kitchen or an island. This was like wood for like shiplap boards. Wow, looking at all this furniture, it just made me feel like I was not in Nashville. It felt like I was in Indonesia or India. I am a sucker for the wood carving. And these little boxes again, they just kept following me throughout the store. Buy me, buy me. But I didn't buy them. This dresser, wow, I just wish I had like a lot of space in my house where I could fit this. It was just beautiful. It really jumped out at me. I hope you enjoyed the video that you just watched. I did want to share with you one thing that I got. The only thing that I got the day that I went to the store was this wonderful cheese board, which was made out of marble, and it also had some stone with beautiful vein details. And I did use this to serve cheese and snacks for a Super Bowl watch party that I had at my house. and it was beautiful, and I got nice comments about it. So I hope you enjoyed the video and liked my purchase. This was only like $13, so it was a steal. And I'll probably be back for other things. I just like to think about things before I buy. So this was much more like, let's see what they have, and then I could go back later once I decide on things that I liked at the store. Well, I hope you tune in for the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.